Hello again, friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this 50 pack of strong magnetic name tags. So here is this. I'll show you what those do here real quick. And then it also has these nice white dry erasable name tags here. All right, so let's see if I can't open this up. Okay, so these are super handy if you are in like a conference or any place like a group meeting, maybe a business conference, something like that. We're going to need to know people's names, and then you can just take your marker and write someone's name on there. All right, so there we have that. And it has 50 of these as well. And these have, really strong little neodyme magnets in there. I'm telling you, there's probably a couple pounds of force there at least. And then it comes with these has these 3M sticky pad on here. We're just going to take that off. Let's peel that off, just like that. That's going to go on the back of your name tag. Okay. Just like that, and that's going to stick on there. 3M tape, obviously super durable. And then wherever you want your name tag, you can just put it in your shirt. A lot of people just have those like little pockets or whatever, and you can just place that right on there, and however you want to straighten it up or whatever. And then you have your name tag. You can make it big, bold letters or whatever, but that is actually really strong. I'm pulling on my shirt here, and that's not coming off of there. Even that's not even like perfectly straight on there. If I get it really centered, I want to make it my name tag straight. And even then, all right, so it's on there. It's not going to come off. I can shake my shirt, jump up and down. These are really strong. Even through, this is kind of a thicker t-shirt, still holding on there nicely. I mean, it took quite a bit of force to remove that. So that is pretty sweet. I mean, you can look at this. So if I hold it right here, sorry, and it's just going to jump up there, and it's pretty strong, guys. Once it's on there, it takes actually quite a bit of force to remove that. And then you can reuse these too. So if you just take your dry erase pen and you can just erase that, and you're ready for the next time. So super handy if you have like maybe a business or something, or you own like a conference room thing, and you have you can give this out as a like just an added bonus, so people can get together, they know each other, you see their names on there and stuff like that. So really cool idea. And plus, like magnets, I don't know, I like messing around with magnets. They're pretty cool for different things. You could make possibly other things with this as well, but definitely these neodyme magnets are super strong, and they're pretty cool. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.